Today, you will learn how to mention page number in Word file document. First, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Header and Footer section, you will find the Page Number option. Click on it, and you will see different locations where page numbers can be placed. You can add page numbers at the top of the page, at the bottom of the page, in the page margins, or even at the current cursor position. For most documents, people usually place page numbers at the bottom center or bottom right corner. Simply choose the style you like, and Word will automatically insert page numbers on every page of the document. You do not need to type the numbers manually because Word updates them automatically whenever pages are added or removed. If you want the first page to have no page number, such as a cover page or title page, double-click in the Header or Footer area to open the Header and Footer tools. Then enable the Different First Page option. This will remove the page number from the first page while keeping page numbers on the remaining pages. You can also change the page number format if needed. To do this, click Page Number again and select Format Page Numbers. Here, you can choose different number styles, such as 1, 2, 3, or Roman numerals like I, 2I, III. This is especially useful for reports, books, and academic documents that require specific formatting. Another useful feature is starting page numbering from a specific number. For example, if you want numbering to start from page 5 or page 10, open Format Page Numbers and enter the starting number you want. Word will automatically continue numbering from that value. If you ever need to remove page numbers, simply go back to Insert, click Page Number, and choose Remove Page Numbers. This will instantly delete them from the document. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel.